Hello students, welcome to a new series of mathematics program for grade 9. In this video, we are going to talk about the chapter Statistics. Well friends, today's session is the second part regarding this chapter. So let's start. In this program, you are going to learn how to find mean, median and mode for set of numbers. First, you have to understand what is meant by mean. Let's consider the following situation. Kiran has 3 children. She distributed some marbles among her children as follows. Dhruv got 6 marbles, Divya got 5 marbles, and Yanish got 10 marbles. Student, was it a fair or equal sharing? Well, if Kiran had made a fair sharing, every child would have obtained the total number of marbles divided by 3, which is equal to 21 divided by 3, leading to 7 marbles. Thus, the mean number of marbles or average number of marbles per child is the number of marbles each child would have received if there had been a fair sharing. In this example, mean is equal to total number of marbles divided by number of children, 7 marbles. Same as you have learned in grade 8, where the mean is equal to sum of all observations divided by total number of observations. The next example illustrates how to find the mean for a set of numbers. The following information represents the marks obtained by Kevin in 8 subjects in the final year exam. From the set of marks, find the mean mark obtained by Kevin. Remember, mean is equal to sum of all observations divided by total number of observations. Here, the mean mark is equal to sum of all marks divided by total number of subjects. So we have 480 divided by 8. Hence, the mean mark is equal to 60. Note, the mean needs not always be a whole number. The mean is always a number which lies between the smallest and largest value of the data set. Part B. The mark obtained by Kevin in an additional subject is added to the set of marks of his 8 subjects. The mean mark of the 9 subjects is 62. Find the mark obtained in the 9th subject. Now, from the previous part, we already know that the sum of marks of 8 subjects is equal to 480. We are given here the mean mark of 9 subjects is equal to 62, implying if Kevin had scored equal marks in all of his 9 subjects, then the mark in each subject would have been 62. Thus, sum of marks of 9 subjects is equal to 62 multiplied by 9, which is 558. Therefore, the mark obtained in the 9th subject is equal to 558 minus 480. Hence, the mark obtained in the 9th subject is equal to 78. Next, we look at median. Remember, median is the middle value of the data set when arranged in ascending or descending order. Let's consider the following example. In part A, first we arrange the numbers in order. Next, we cut one number on each side of the list until the middle term is located as demonstrated below. Hence, the median is 4. Similarly, in part B, first we arrange the numbers in order. Now, students, observe here the total number of observations is equal to 8, which is an even number. Remember, if the data set contains an even number of information, then there will be two middle values. In this case, the median will be the average of these two values. Now, after arranging this set of numbers in order, cut one number on each side of the list until the middle term is located, as shown below. Here, the two middle values are 0 and 2. Hence, the median is the average of these two values. Therefore, median is equal to 1. Next, we look at the mode. Remember, mode is the data which occurs most frequently. Let's consider the following example. In part A, the data 7 occurs most frequently. Therefore, the mode is 7. In part B, -1 and 0 occur thrice each. Remember, in a data set, there may be two modes, that is, two values which occur most frequently. In this case, the modes are -1 and 0. In part C, observe here, all the values occur the same number of times. Once again, note, in a data set, there is no mode if either each value occurs only once, or all the values are alike, or all the values occur the same number of times, same as for this set. Therefore, there is no mode. The following example deals with calculation of mean, median, and mode for set of numbers. Part A. Find x given that the mean of the set of numbers is 8. Remember, mean is equal to sum of all observations divided by total number of observations, implying mean multiplied by total number of observations is equal to sum of all observations. Here, we are given the mean is 8. We multiply it by the total number of observations, which is 7. This is equal to sum of all observations. Now, we obtain 56 is equal to 48 plus x. Taking the additive inverse of 48 on both sides, we obtain 8 is equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to 8. Part B. Find x given that the mode of the set of numbers is 10. Students, note here, 10 and 11 occur twice each. For the mode to be 10, it should occur the most number of times. Hence, x is equal to 10. Part C. The set of numbers 2, 5, 5, x, 8, and 9 is arranged in order. Find x given the median is 6. Now, since this set is already arranged in order, we can cut one number on each side of the list until the middle term is located, as shown below. Here, the two middle values are 5 and x. Therefore, median is the average of these two values. But here we are given the median is 6. Therefore, 5 plus x divided by 2 is equal to 6. Multiplying by 2 on both sides, we obtain 5 plus x is equal to 12. Taking the additive inverse of 5 on both sides, we have x is equal to 7. Friends, now it's time to take some exercises for practice, which will definitely help you understand better today's lesson. So take note, question 1 and question 2. To summarize, in this program you have learned how to find mean, median and mode for set of numbers. Friends, here are some links which will provide you with additional information regarding today's lesson. The first link, the second one, and the third link. Students, this video on statistics ends here. Remember, in the first video, you have learned what is meant by statistics and how to use pictograms, bar charts, and pie charts. Today, you have learned how to find mean, median, and mode. In the next video, we are going to talk about how to construct a frequency table and determine the mean, median, and mode for ungrouped frequency distribution. So friends, till we meet again, it's a goodbye from me.